So, question 23. Below are the graphs for the two equations. Y equals 1.5x plus 6 and y equals negative 2x plus 15. The scale on the x-axis is 1 and the scale on the y-axis is 3. All right. Question A is, which one is y1? All right. So looking here, the trick is to look at the y-intercepts. So that right there is the second mark, it appears. So I believe I'm going to erase this just to make sure. So 1, 2, yes. So this is a 6, right? Well, my y-intercept here is 6. So therefore, line 2 is this one. Line 1 is this one right here. Okay. Find the coordinates of the point of intersection of the two lines. Well, there are two ways to do it. One is to look here. But this is not going to be an exact answer, because I can only estimate basically where it ends up. So the other way I can do this is to solve the system of equations. I can say 1.5x plus 6 is equal to negative 2x plus 15. So let's solve this. Minus 6, 1.5. Sorry, the board's acting up. 5x is equal to negative 2x plus 9. So plus 2x plus 2x, because that is the opposite of negative 2x. So we get 3.5x is equal to 9. Divide by 3.5, divide by 3.5. So I have 9 divided by 3.5. And so that makes sense, because if I go straight down, I guess that's about 2.57. So I'd say 2.57, and this is going to be about 7, right? But I can find out by plugging in. I'm going to just round this to 2.57. So I'm going to plug in 2.57 to one of the equations, and I'll find out my y value. So I have y is equal to 1.5x plus 6. So I'm going to plug that in. So y is equal to 1.5 times 2.5 plus 6. So 1.5 times 2.57. So y is equal to 3.855 plus 6. So y is equal to 9.855. That makes sense, because here's 3, 6, 9. So my coordinates are 2.57, comma 9.855. And that's it. How could you find the answer to part? Okay, I just did C. That's okay. I answered B and C, right? Question D. What values of x satisfy the inequality? So in this case, we want this side to be less than that side. Well, from here to here, this equation is smaller than that equation. So the x values would have to be less than 2.57. And that's your answer to D. And that's how it's shown in the graph, right here. So obviously the other ones. Now, the opposite, when the opposite is true, when it's greater, it's going to be over here, which is when x is greater than 2.57. And that's it.